Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the sixth video of the conservation of biodiversity. So, in last video we were discussing about protected areas. In that we have told that there are three protected areas, that is wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves. So, we will see one by one. What is biosphere reserves? Biosphere reserve is large area that is protected for maintenance of biodiversity, animal and plant resources. Okay, so biosphere reserve is a large area. Okay, see here, a biosphere reserve is a large multi-purpose protected area for conservation of wildlife, plants and animal resources. This biosphere reserves is dedicated for, what it does is dedicated for means it maintains ecological balance. It allows the tribals and the other people living there to coexist, and it also maintains the biodiversity. So what is the biosphere reserves? Are developed to first to maintain biodiversity and ecological balance. Next is it permits the tribals and other people living in that area to coexist, and it also maintain culture of the particular area. Means it also maintain the culture, it allows the different tribals and people to coexist, and it also maintains ecological balance and biodiversity. Okay, being large area, biosphere reserve may contain one or more wildlife sanctuaries or national park. Okay, one example is Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve. This Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve, it also have a national park, that is Satpura National Park, and it has two wildlife sanctuaries, that is Bori wildlife sanctuary, and one more is Pachmarhi wildlife sanctuary. Okay, so biosphere reserve may have national park or wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, for example, one more example is Nilgiri biosphere. This Nilgiri biosphere, it has two national park. One is Bandipur National Park and Nagarhole National Park. So two national park is there in the Nilgiri biosphere. Okay, next is flora and fauna. Term flora and fauna. Flora, the type of plants found in an area is called flora of that area. What is flora? The plants growing in a particular area is known as flora. For example, sal, teak, jamun, etc. are the flora of Pachmarhi biosphere reserve. Okay, the fauna. What is fauna? Means the animals that are found in an area is called fauna of that area. Next is fauna. Animals found in that area form the fauna. For example, chinkara, blue bull, barking deer, etc. are the fauna of Pachmarhi biosphere reserve. Okay. Next is endemic species. So before going into endemic species, first I will explain species. It already been explained earlier also. Once again I will say, group of similar individual that can interbreed and produce fertile offsprings are called species. Means वैसे ऑर्गेनिज्म का ग्रुप जो आपस में ही रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं और एक फर्टाइल ऑफस्प्रिंग को पैदा करे जो कि आगे भी रिप्रोड्यूस कर सके, उसको हम लोग कहेंगे स्पीसीज. वैसे ग्रुप ऑफ मेंबर्स को हम लोग कहेंगे स्पीसीज. व्हाट इज एंडेमिक स्पीसीज? ग्रुप ऑफ मीन्स द स्पीसीज that is found in a particular area, not in other part of the world. They are called endemic species. For example, giant panda. Giant panda is found in the mountains of southeast China. So that giant panda is a endemic species for southeast China. So what is endemic species? Species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area and nowhere else in the world are called endemic species. Example: giant panda is endemic species of Southeast China. Okay? Sal and wild mango is endemic flora for Pachmarhi biosphere reserve and flying squirrel and bison are endemic fauna for Pachmarhi biosphere reserve. Okay. So endemic species means the species that of plant or animal that are found in a particular area, not elsewhere in the world, is called endemic species. Okay. So hope you understand. Still, if anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay. Thank you.